Here's a quick technique when it comes to the estimate view is you can use a custom filter outside of simply the filter view. So I'm going to go to the item number column header, right mouse button click, and select on filter editor. Here, I'm going to go ahead and build this custom filter against item number. We have all kinds of options, and one that I might be interested in is that it contains, say, the decimal 030, and when I press the apply button, you can see that we're filtered on the item number contains 030. By selecting OK, I can go ahead and toggle that on and off. So I can also clear the filter over here on the far right side. Also, many of you have come across this, if there are filters across each one of the column headers, and simply selecting on any of the filters, we have an option of all the items that are inside of that column, and can turn on something like, say, for example, SF, and so now we have that filter turned on. We can softly untoggle it, toggle it back on. And of course, we could always change the filter as well. So something like, say, for example, coming in here and change it to each, or we could have multiple filters on here. So that's an interesting one, because if we open up the filter editor, you can see how it says is any of the following, each and SF. And of course, you can always clear those as well. Another cool feature, and this is only in the session that you're currently in. So meaning if you close and come back in, or you close for the day and come back in tomorrow, this would not stay resident. But during the session that you're working on, all of these little micro filters are able to be recalled. So I can recall the original one, which was the item number contains. So we have it here. And then we can go to, say, unit of measure SF, and finally back to the each and SF. Remember, again, we can always clear the filter.